Hi there, it's Dr. Grant Pagdin. Hey, when it comes to bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, I wanted to try and highlight some of the differences between getting your care from a naturopath or a naturopathic doctor or a medical doctor. Now, here at Pagdin Health, we have two providers focusing on bioidentical hormone replacement, myself and my naturopathic doctor, Dr. Tina Garrison. So we work collaboratively together to try to provide as comprehensive a plan for your hormone replacement as is possible. Now, a medical provider that calls themselves a naturopath has some basic medical training, but they don't typically have prescribing privileges. So they can recommend you certain supplements, but they couldn't set you up with prescription hormones. A naturopathic doctor, on the other hand, has additional training in hormones and in pharmacology, so that they do have the ability to apply for a license to write some basic hormone prescriptions. Not all hormones, however. There are still certain things that are restricted from prescribing by naturopathic doctors, and these would include things like testosterone, DHEA, and growth hormone. And these may turn out to be important parts of your hormone program. So you want to make sure that the service that you choose would be able to provide a comprehensive evaluation and comprehensive prescriptions to cover off all of the hormones. So in our office here at Pagdin Health, Dr. Garrison and I work collaboratively. I supervise the care, and I will write the prescriptions for any of these additional restricted substances that might be important for your overall treatment plan. In addition, I can supervise the lab requisitions, and there are certain tests which I can order through MSP and have your provincial healthcare cover those tests. For most naturopaths and naturopathic doctors, when they order blood tests, you're going to end up paying for them privately. Now, keep in mind there are still certain tests that MSP doesn't want to cover regardless of who orders them. So when I order a test for estrogen for men, that's something they have to pay for privately. If I order a test for testosterone for women, that's something they have to pay for privately. So not all of your tests will be covered, but typically what we will do is we will present you with two lab requisitions, one for the tests that are covered by your MSP and one for the things that you may have to pay for privately. And whether your care is looked after by myself or by Dr. Garrison, you can be guaranteed that you're going to have comprehensive care looking at all of your hormone requirements.